Hello again. Hopefully you have successfully created a grid, and now I'm going to teach you how to make a topic. First of all, once you've created your first grid, you should see a little topic down here that says say hello on Flipgrid. This is one that you can use for practicing, or if you prefer not to have this topic there, you can just click it and click actions, delete topic. And then it'll ask if you want to permanently delete the topic and videos, because you will not be able to get it back, and you can click delete. In order to add a new topic, you need to click add new topic. Your topic is basically your lesson. For example, in language arts, if you're teaching about main idea and you want the kids to respond to you, your topic title will have to do with main idea. Then you'll ask a question. So you could have students watch a video, or you could link them to text that they're supposed to read, and I'll show you how to do that in another video. But then right here is where you'll ask the question. So you could say, read the text, whatever it is, and then answer the questions. And then number 1, what was the main idea? And number 2, support that with 3 details. So then in their video, they should know to respond and answer the question by saying, the main idea of the story was, and my 3 details to support that are, dun, dun, dun. Underneath of this, you'll be able to choose the recording time. For students of the elementary age, I would keep it between a minute and a minute and 30 seconds. Any more time than that, and you'll have a lot of kids that are just sitting on the screen kind of thinking of what to say. So less is more when it comes to Flipgrid. They can always re-record their videos if they make mistakes. Video moderation is something that I always have on, and I've set that as my default option. And this is just basically to where when your students post videos, none of the other students can see it until you have watched it and approved it. This is especially helpful when you have a class of kiddos who might be a little more on the silly side. That way you can tell a student, hey, why don't you re-record this before we show it to the rest of our peers? You can also add a focus. When you're watching these videos on Flipgrid that I have made, this is the focus, and I've attached it through adding a YouTube link. You can also record your own video, upload a video, or just choose an image or a Giphy. I really like doing the Giphies because they catch the kids' attention. My first story that we read is Ahí viene el lobo gris, and that's a story about wolves. So I looked for a wolf Giphy, and then I just added something that looked fun. And then click select. And then once you click create topic, you can copy this code. And just like you can copy a code to a grid, you can also copy a code directly to a topic. So if you don't want the students in your grid searching through all your topics, trying to find what they're supposed to answer to, you can take them to this specific question by adding the link to your topic. Okay, so you'll click copy, you can add it to your Google Classroom, copy and paste it onto Seesaw, whatever it is that you're using, and then you'll click all set. Now, this is more or less what it'll look like. Students will be able to click record a response, and they'll answer the questions, and then you can check them out, grade them with a rubric if you would like to, and that's how you create your first topic.